Hello lovelies, hope you're all fine. Welcome to my kitchen by Nana. So today I'm sharing this juice recipe, and for the fruits I'm going to be using a pineapple, 4 oranges, 1 cucumber and 1 carrot. This is a detox juice recipe. It's a healthy juice recipe, immune boosting. As you all know, these fruits are so full of nutrients, they're so full of vitamin C and other benefits. So to know all these benefits, just keep around and watch the video till the end. First things first, so make sure your fruits are very clean, and then we're going to begin by chopping them. This fruit combination is a delicious dose of health, and all these fruits are packed with lots of nutrients and lots of vitamins. For example, let's talk about vitamin C. As you all know, it's an essential nutrient to the body. So the cucumber is a source of minerals like potassium, phosphorus and magnesium, and drinking the juice helps to reduce sodium levels in the body, thus reducing blood pressure. If we start talking about carrots, the list is endless. As we're growing up, we're told to eat so many carrots because it's very good for the eyesight, and trust me, my eyesight is very good. Carrots are also good for the skin because they provide a water-soluble nutrient necessary for collagen production. These fruits are a good source of potassium, which plays an important role in proper blood pressure regulation. A high potassium diet has been shown to protect against high blood pressure and stroke. Drinking juice with cucumber helps to maintain the body's fluid balance because cucumber is so hydrating, which may help to clear up your skin and to also promote regular bowel movements. So that is fresh orange juice, and I'm adding the fruits to the blender. And keep in mind that we are not adding any sugar or any honey to this juice because we are making a healthy, immune boosting juice. If you're trying to lose weight, replacing sodas, sports drinks with this juice combination will help to cut some of the serious calories from your diet. Staying hydrated helps you to feel full. Sometimes the body confuses thirst with hunger. You may feel hungry, yet you're actually just thirsty. I'm sure you've liked all these benefits, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave for you all the benefits and others that I haven't mentioned in the description box. Please check it out, and in case of any comments, please leave them down. I'll reply to all of them. Thank you for watching the video.